Welcome to this video all of you, and if you're new here then we are Trisha and Nikhil, and today we'll be going to Patong Old Town. This is a totally different side of Phuket that we haven't explored till now. It's our first time going there. Our plan for today is very simple. We want to click a lot of pictures, have a lot of fun and eat a lot of good food. If you're a fan of watching people try amazing food, this is the day to do that. So watch this video till the end because it's going to be really fun. Today is the Old Town Sunday night market. It's really famous. Since the time we've come here, everyone has been recommending us to go there. So it's quite something. Let's go.
So they just dropped us opposite to the place that we wanted to go to, and we're just crossing the road. And the first destination that we have on our mind is the Clock Tower. It's pretty famous and it's one of the most perfect places to start our journey from for Phuket Old Town, because it's one of the furthest places from the actual market that we're going to come to in the evening. I see why people keep on calling it one of the most Instagrammable and most aesthetically pleasing kind of streets and markets.
We just stepped in and it just feels like that.
But it's very hot today. So we finally made it to the famous Clock Tower, and you can see that there are so many people clicking photos around it. You can tell that it's really famous around here. And it's since it's Sunday today, it's also the beginning of the walking street where the night market will be set up. I guess we are at the right time.
Everything looks super cute. It's a little hot, but I think it's perfect to click pictures. It's also burning my skin a little bit, but anyway.
So let's quickly pick.
Yeah,
yeah.
Quickly pictures and then food. And the street, it's 4 and the night market has already started setting up.
Yeah, I can see that.
So
It's happening right there.
That's nice.
So let's move.
Yeah.
Come. Like so many people over here. We got a lot of photos over here. So we took a lot of time here and clicked a lot of photos, and there were a lot of people who were waiting for their turns. Now we're done with this place and we're gonna move to the next place. And I can already see the market and a lot of great food that has been set up. It's so enticing. But first we need to visit a lot of places, and then I guess we're gonna start eating, right?
Yeah.
It looks really tasty. This one, no? Yeah, all this looks really cute.
This place is absolutely great to get souvenirs from. I haven't seen souvenirs this beautiful anywhere else. Just look at all of these things.
These are made out of coconut shells.
Yeah, last time we got one of these. Two of these. I thought this market was more famous for food, but I had no idea. Like, I thought this market only had food basically. I had no idea that it has clothes, souvenirs and everything looks so nice. I can't even focus in the video right now.
And the fragrances, because we just passed a shop that had all the balms and all these things. I don't even know what it was, but it has a very strong fragrance. It's really nice.
Yeah, very aromatic.
So next up is On Hotel, hotel which is very famous for the movie The Beach with Leonardo DiCaprio. And I actually did not know about this because I haven't seen that movie. But this is second-hand information that we got while researching about this place, that this hotel was actually shown in Bangkok, but it's actually in Phuket.
And I love how it looks.
Yeah.
Look at the lanterns.
This place looks like a movie setup.
Yeah, it's so cute.
I'm going to show them from the...
How much is the rent for this place to stay here for one day?
Let's check it out in a second.
Yeah.
Yeah, that.
Such a cute vibe. It has such a cute vibe to it. Like the windows, the entire setup, like the everything looks really cute.
Yeah. Wow, this looks nice. 4 pieces for 74 baht. Alright, you can come back here. I'm making a mental checklist of where I have to come back to. We have to try something.
Yeah. So cute. Oh wow, Nikhil, look at that. Nikhil, look in front of you.
They're all trying very hard to play the same thing. So these are little kids who are.
Each second the crowd is increasing.
I was telling them that they were all playing a different tune.
Yeah.
Little kids who are trying their best. They look so cute. The blocking of the market right in the middle. This place is getting intense by the second.
Oh my god.
This guy has a full vibe.
Oh, look at that cute goat with diaper on.
Oh, hello.
Hi, goatee.
Hi. Meh.
Meh.
What? What is it?
Meh. Such a cute shop for dresses.
Yeah.
All tie-dye. I love such shops. Every shop, the aesthetic is on point. You know, everything is made and coordinated so well. It's all pastel colors, cute, and just like so adorable. I love it. Absolutely love it.
So we've covered a lot of photo spots and we've taken a lot of photos. Like Trisha says, 1,000 photos.
But we haven't taken 1,000 photos.
Yeah. Never done with it, but it's okay. I've learned to just move on. So now it's time to
Yeah, but
start
we are
trying some
super
food.
hungry.
Yeah, we are super hungry.
Now you choose this one or this one.
Moondrop.
We're starting healthy
Kind of
With-
healthy. It's like
with-
sugar coated.
with some fruit. Let's not say the first half of the.
She's sugar coating the truth. It's a little sour, huh?
So yummy.
I can see the flavors on your face.
Yeah. It sticks to my tooth though. It's moonshine, right?
Something. Moondrop. Yeah.
Wow. It's so good. Absolutely love it. But too sweet for me. I'm gonna get a sugar rush for sure. This one is really good, right? The fruit is so sweet. Only the strawberry was a little sour.
60 baht for one mojito. So I'm gonna just take one first. I wanna see how it is.
Yeah. It has. Does it have gold on top of it?
That one does. I don't know what that is.
That is so cool.
That's an experience.
Yeah. I love it. Swadika.
This is what they made was Thai tea.
This was Thai tea. I don't drink tea, so that cannot be for me.
Yeah, this is gold standard.
One version mojito?
Conversion is it?
I have to try this. Wow. This is
Okay, you
so
can have
good.
it. You can have more of it.
This is so amazing.
Now you know the difference between sugar syrup
Yeah,
and
this is directly made with mint leaves and lemon, and it's so good. It's so good. It's not just aesthetically pretty, it's tasty.
and it's cheap for
Yeah.
what it tastes like.
Yeah. Yeah, we need to pay.
สวัสดีครับ
Aroy.
ขอบคุณครับ
They deserved an ROI shout out.
Yeah. Plus, the way that they were making it with the
The tweezers.
yeah, with the tweezers, that was so adorable. It was an entire experience. I love this market. If you're missing, we've come to Thailand 5 times, but we regret missing this market. Because this is really nice. It's
We need it.
aesthetically good. It's beautiful.
And it's tasty.
and tasty.
They knew what they were doing. Love it.
Yeah. Have you seen those ads when you drink something? There's suddenly a cold wind that
Breath of fresh air.
breath of fresh air that goes through you.
It's-
I feel like that right now. Anyway, moving on. I really like it. It's very refreshing.
It's in the shape of bamboo.
Oh, I didn't notice.
So I'm having chicken kebab with pita bread. I saw this from a distance and I really wanted to try it. All coming in. Thank you so much. So full of sauces. She like filled it up with sauce. I love it.
It's so hot. I don't feel like eating at all. It's so hot. Say hi to Fanru. I'm glad we found the spot because it's starting to get really crowded here.
We've been walking around for what, 2 to 3 hours.
Yeah. Let's try the curry ones. She said that this is the best. It's very flaky. Oh my god.
Yeah?
Why is food here so good? I mean, it should be. Duh, Trisha. But it's really good. Look at that.
Oh god. Mm.
So good, right?
This is a good find.
Yeah. I know how to say 20.
That's ours.
This market is so crowded right now. Just look at it. Just look at the crowd. We wanted to try satay since the time we came here. Even though it's too hot and trying food is getting a little difficult. But we couldn't go without satay. And also I wanted to have some mango sticky rice, so let's see if we can find that. But for now, wow, Nikhil.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm glad. Like the food over here has been really good.
I wish this was on more days, not just Sunday.
Yeah. One. 80 baht. All right, one please. Thank you.
How is it?
It's so good. You need to try it. It has a little bit of sugar, I guess. That cannot be so sweet. Yeah.
Definitely has sugar, but it's really nice. Thank you.
Thank you. Super sweet.
such a cute ice cream. I love it. Bye. It's like a normal chocolate ice cream, but it looks pretty.
Yeah, and it gave me a headache. I took a big bite.
Why did you do that?
I did not. No, I don't know. No, I don't. My head is full. I cannot. I don't know why I took a big bite. Oh my gosh, my head got stuck.
Yeah. You're okay?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Alright, that was a good day.
That was a really fun day. It was really nice. We had some amazing food, and the shops over here, the markets are so cute and so nice, and they literally have everything available, from clothes to art to everything. It's just so amazing. So yeah, this was it for today. If you like this video, then make sure to like this video, leave a comment, share this with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel because it really helps, and we'll see you next time. As you can see from the flying of my hair.
It's really windy here. Let's just simply put it at that.
It's so cute. It's so good. And after eating, you can use the plate as the napkin also. Wow, Tisha. So innovative.
Don't you have an engineer's degree? Which you stole from somewhere? You should throw that also.
Some fruit are here.
So this was it for today. We'll see you next time.